Second practical, second program, we have to check whether the entered year is a leap year or not. Logic for checking a leap year is displayed in the diagram. If year is divisible by 4, then it can be a leap year. If it is not divisible by 4, then it is not a leap year. If it is divisible by 4, then we have to check whether it is divisible by 100 or not. If it is divisible by 4 and not divisible by 100, it is not a leap year. If it is divisible by 100, we have to check whether it is divisible by 400 or not. If it is divisible by 400, then it is a leap year, otherwise it is not a leap year. So, if year is divisible by 400 and 400, then it is a leap year, otherwise it is not a leap year. Writing this program in Python, we are taking year from the user. So using input function, inside opening and closing parentheses, we are asking the user to enter a year. User will enter a year that will be treated as a string. To convert it into an integer, we precede it by int. So it will be converted into integer and stored in year variable. So in the first if statement, we are checking whether year mod 4 is equivalent to 0 or not. This condition. Year mod 4 is equivalent to 0. If it is false, then we go to the else part and print it is not a leap year. So it will not enter this if block. It will directly enter the else block and print that the given year is not a leap year. So we have used F formatting for printing a string. Inside print, we have a statement in opening and closing brace is not a leap year, where here where 0 is written, that value will be replaced by year variable. So first part, it is not divisible by 4, else is printed that year is not a leap year. What if the year was divisible by 4? Then we check whether year is divisible by 100 or not. So if the year is divisible by 4, then we enter into the if block and check whether year is divisible by 100 or not. So for if you have this else. If year is divisible by 4, we enter the if block. If year is not divisible by 100, then we go to the else block and print that F formatting, inside opening and closing brace, variable is not a leap year. That variable is replaced by year variable value. If year is divisible by 4 and year is divisible by 100, then we can enter into third if else block, where we are checking whether it is divisible by 400 or not. If it is not divisible by 400, we go to the else part and print it is not a leap year. If it is divisible by 400, we print it is a leap year. Same flowchart followed, and we executed our program using nested if else statement. So checking the execution, if we enter a non-leap year 1999, it is not a leap year. If we enter leap years, for example 2000 is a leap year, it will display it is a leap year. 2024, it will be a leap year. That's it for this video. Thank you.